Now our topic is conventional sources of energy. Now conventional sources of energy, first source of energy is fossil fuels. We know that is, for example, fossil fuels we are having wood, petroleum, gases, right? So combustion gases, so these are fossil fuels. By these fossil fuels, first, wood is the basic fossil fuels, but earlier we found wood as a fossil fuels. By wood we are creating heating energy, and by that heating energy we get our energy in the different forms. Now petroleum is, for example, petrol, diesel. These are fossil fuels. Nowadays we use petrol and diesel for the purpose in vehicle to travel from one place to another place, that we know, right? And gases, nowadays we use gases to cook our food, also for a fuel in vehicles like CNG, PNG, right? So these are fossil fuels. Now fossil fuels is not we are getting very easily. Fossil fuels, many years before this process, making of this process started, and then after many years we get that fossil fuels. If we are using petrol today, maybe that petrol was made 20 years before, so that process start 20 years before. So many, after many years we can use this kind of petroleums. So that means fossil fuels, that making process is so long, right? So fossil fuels, we also use this kind of fossil fuels to generate electricity. So by using these fossil fuels, how can we generate electricity? So one demonstration will be there here. If we are having one cooker, and if we put one pipe through that cooker, and we just heating that cooker from here, right? So we are giving temperature to this cooker from the bottom. Now temperature rises. Now this pipe, further, here we are having tennis ball, and with the tennis ball we are join some wings with that tennis ball, right? Tennis ball center, we are fixed with one rod, one small little wire, so that tennis ball can rotate, right? Now further, with this axis of tennis ball, here we join one turbine, and from turbine we are getting our output. So this process start from here. Here we are having pressure cooker. This is pressure cooker. We know that when we cook our food, pressure cooker usually just whistling. Why it whistles? Because of that steam pressure. So that steam pressure is just goes on to here on the wings of this tennis ball. Because of that steam pressure, this tennis ball just rotates. Because of that rotation, turbine gets its energy, and turbine just converts that rotational energy into electrical signal. So this is the small demonstration. Here we are using that heat energy, and heat energy comes from by burning this fossil fuels. So by burning, by that fossil fuel energy, we are getting our electricity energy. So this may cost a lot, but if we use our natural sources, then that may cost less, right? So these fossil fuels, here many years before, many animals just before, because of their death, their body isn't buried, so that's why different that body is gone in the surface of the earth, and because of that degermination, that body is converting after so many years in the fossil fuels. So that's why we are getting fossil fuels as a petroleum, wood, and gases. So that is conventional energy, that is our fossil fuels topic.